Blessings. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be opening some mail. It's some mail that I've had. I just didn't get to it yet because I wanted to do a video on it. And I'm going to show y'all what it is. Opening it now. Okay. And I'm going to, it's on here real good, y'all. I gotta, whew. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut this. Show y'all. Okay, here we go. And I am so excited. Okay. It is my Death to Doubt lipstick from, this is a very nice package. It says, thank you. Hello, Victorious Beauty. We appreciate your support. Please enjoy 10% off your next order with the code. And then there's a code. And it says, take a photo and tag us on social media. Okay. Live in victory. She said, thank you. And you are welcome, Prophetess Lady Victory. I'm going to leave the information so y'all can look for the lipstick too. She has a lot of different colors, different names. And it's a very unique brand. I'm going to try this on. Let's see. I don't know how it looks. I would like to know. And this is it. It's really nice. Really nice. Death to Doubt. Hopefully y'all can see it. How it looks. Okay, I'm just gonna have to do a lot of editing for this video, but it is all right. But I hope y'all can see. Can you see it? That's what it looks like on me. Okay, please let me know, leave a comment, and please like the video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share the video. And I'm gonna have the information so you can get your own lipstick. You can check out her website and see what else she has to offer. This is Victory Beauty. Death to Doubt is the color. Alright, y'all, I'm about to leave. I love y'all. Thank you for watching. Shalom.